Hello, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Easy-Peasy Literary Theory video podcast. Today's topic is the concept of Homo Sacer by Giorgio Agamben. The concept of Homo Sacer is actually a legal term that comes from ancient Rome. In ancient Rome, Homo Sacer refers to a person who is no longer a citizen of the nation. He is stripped of his status of a citizen, and that person is no longer protected by law. Now, that is a difficult situation because what does that mean? It means such a Homo Sacer can be killed by anyone without legal consequences. Legally, this person can be killed because this person is considered outside the protection of the law. Now you will think, well, in today's world, there are no people like that, but we are wrong. Sometimes some refugees, some criminals, the powerful people, the state can brand some people criminals. They might not even be criminals. And they become Homo Sacer. They can be killed in an encounter. Nobody will ask. Got it? So Agamben uses this concept to describe the way in which modern day nation states have created what is called zones of exception. Agamben is using this term to describe the zones of exception, like detention camps or prisons, or labor camps or refugee camps. People from these places are stripped of their legal status, and therefore these people are vulnerable. They can be killed. They can be subjected to forms of violence. So through this concept, Agamben is showing that the relationship between the state, law, people, it is problematic. He is showing the ways in which law and modern nation states turn some people powerless. So I hope you liked this discussion. Thank you very much. I'll be back with more. Bye.